In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Pinterest photos on your device. This works on your phone as well. Now all you need to do is go to Pinterest, make sure that you sign in into your account and find the photo that you want to download. Let's say that I want to download this photo. You then want to make sure to copy the URL, so make sure you go do that. Then go to Google and search for Pinterest video downloader. Now I know, bear with me, I searched for Pinterest video downloader, but that's just to go to the website. So search for Pinterest video downloader, and then you'll be able to find experts PHP, which is the website that you'll need. And then then you want to click on Pinterest photo downloader at the top, then paste your URL and hit download. If you then scroll down, you'll be able to download it right here, or click right there, download link, then hit right click, of course, then hit save image as, and you can then save that image on your device. And that's how you can download Pinterest photos onto your device. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.